idea and project were not conceived by a machine tool manufacturer, but to meet the production needs of Nuova Trasmissioni, the company owned by Stefano Ongaro, manufacturer of the toothed pulleys and gears and inventor of the hobbing lathe. M Services, the company, specialized in special machine construction, subsequently manufactured and designed the single parts. This video briefly describes the special features of the combined machine designed for turning, gear hobbing and screw milling. Processes can be performed on a single press, turning, hobbing and milling the same piece. This is a one-of-a-kind machine, since it simultaneously processes pieces. The advanced design has allowed the hobbing head to be tilted 45 degrees to the left and 105 degrees to the right. Thanks to these features, hobbing can be performed with significant helix angles and both right and left helical gears. Even working dimensions are remarkable. Directly from the bar up to a diameter of 75 millimeters, in acceleration up to 250 millimeter diameter with a 100 millimeter diameter hob. Due to free bar passage, significantly long shafts can be processed. The counterhead, which can be used for synchronized hobbing, can finish pieces at both ends, even at the same time as turning on the first spindle. On the piece processed in the video, you can see a 4-threaded Module 3 screw with thread deburring and a Z20 Module 3 gear with a 15 degrees right side helix angle. Actual processing speeds are shown in the video. Electrical absorption during Module 3 hobbing with 1.5 mm pitch turn is only 20%, demonstrating our machine's excellent production features. Processing parameters depend on the level of piece finished. Should, after heat processing, skiving or scarfing be performed, a higher pitch can be used for rough shaping to further shorten the work cycle. In many cases, screw hobbing or milling processes are shorter than handling the same phase conducted with traditional machines, without the need of processing tools and with almost perfect concentricity. All processes can be synchronized, even with key leads and radial holes, and the same synchronisms can also be kept when shifting tools. Multiple hobbing is also possible by installing 2 or 3 hobs simultaneously, or installing a hob and screw mill. Total shifting stroke is 180 millimeters. Obtained tooth quality, DIN 7 grade, also demonstrates that the machine is not only fast and advanced, but capable of high precision to satisfy even the most demanding customer. With a more than 35 kilowatt main spindle, 19 kilowatt counterhead and 7 kilowatt turret drive, we are at the top of power for the best lathes now on the market. A 12-position turret with Y-axis allows many tools to be installed for complex processes, even milling, like a true work center. The machine's thermal strength and stability, also due to its 8-ton mass and the extreme precision guaranteed by optical beams on the X and X1 axes, make both heavy and precise processes easy. Pieces are unloaded through a built-in portal on a specific conveyor that moves them out of the machine, even for dimensional controls. If needed, a measuring station can be installed and interfaced with the control panel for automatic corrections during the cycle. The user-friendly and interactive software lets you run and save a multitude of programs, saving tools and their serial numbers to make startup as easy as possible. The program generated with interactive windows is displayed in ISO format. It can be edited to exploit all the potential of single-block programming, only limited by the codes available on the 840D. The control panel on the latest Siemens 840D includes artist boards and software. It will guarantee the integrity of all tools, stopping at end cycle in the event of wear or during the work cycle in just a few milliseconds if the set stress limit is reached. The hard metal hobs and mills are preserved, thus lowering replacement costs. Furthermore, pieces are never defective due to tool wear. Stress is monitored by Artist software, the best on the market. Programs are saved with your piece designs in an ample memory, which can be recalled whenever the same piece is to be processed over the years. The network card in the control panel lets you easily back up programs to your computer. You can even update software using the network or internet using a USB network key. The latest technological features causes the machine to retract the tool in use in the event of blackout to prevent it from damaging or breaking. Siemens Electronics includes an accumulation system to provide the power required by drives for the short amount of time needed to pause work in progress and stop the machine. What more can we say? Broaden your production horizons. This may be the right machine for you. Just think of using this machine in your production cycles, of the cost savings, machine pool reduction, space savings, and especially the drastic operation time savings with immediate finished pieces. We look forward to engineering your pieces and to providing you with turnkey machinery estimates. Our machine can be immediately put into production upon installation. You won't have to adjust or construct any tool. Just create the work programs and install the tools. You'll benefit from short periods of amortization, guaranteeing high productivity at low costs.